In this video, we listed the 5 best portable monitor on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ARZOPA Portable Monitor. The ARZOPA Portable Monitor features a full HD 1080p IPS screen with a 178 degrees full viewing angle, providing vivid images with accuracy. Made of high-quality and durable metal materials, the monitor comes with a lightweight and portable metal stand that can be adjusted from multiple angles. It offers multiple display modes, including duplicate, extend, and second screen modes, and is compatible with various devices thanks to dual USB-C and HDMI ports. Weighing only 1.44 pounds and ultra-slim, this monitor is easy to carry while traveling. It does not require any apps or drivers, just plug and play. The monitor's wide compatibility and features like IPS technology, A1 gamut, and scratch-proof smart cover make it convenient for on-the-go productivity and entertainment. With specifications like 15.6-inch screen, 1920 by 1080 resolution, 800:1 contrast ratio, and 16:9 aspect ratio, the ARZOPA Portable Monitor is a versatile and high-quality option for expanding your screen wherever you go. Number 2. VCHANCE Portable Monitor. The VCHANCE 15.6, 13.3-inch 4K AMOLED UHD Portable Monitor, available in SU15TO, SU15O, SU13TO, SU13O models, is a cutting-edge display device released in 2023. Boasting a refresh rate of 60 Hz and a display resolution of 3840x2160p with a 16:9 aspect ratio, this monitor offers stunning visuals with a 100% DCI, P3 color gamut and exceptional contrast ratio of 1:0:0:0:0:1, achieving a brightness of 550 CD. The screen type being AMOLED allows for vivid, lifelike colors across 1.07 billion available colors, with a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees both vertically and horizontally. Its touch functionality supports up to 10-point touch, while the built-in speakers enhance the overall multimedia experience. The monitor provides various interface options, including HDMI compatible, USB Type-A 2.0, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm auxiliary port, with a sleek aluminum alloy frame design. Additional features include HDR 1000, 10-bit color depth, 1 millisecond response time, and compatibility with various devices such as laptops, PC computers, gaming consoles, smartphones, and more. This VCHANCE monitor epitomizes high-quality visuals and functionality in a portable package. Number 3. ZEUSLAP Portable Monitor. The Z18 TV Pro is a versatile device that functions as both a TV and a monitor. In TV mode, it runs on Google TV Android 11 with features like built-in Google Voice Assistance, Chromecast for wireless connectivity, and support for popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, and Prime Video. The device boasts a 18.5-inch 1920*1080p Full HD resolution IPS panel with HDR10+ for high-quality video display. It is equipped with a quad-core logic chip, 2 GB DDR4 RAM, and 8 GB NAND eMMC/ROM, ensuring smooth operation. The device also supports 10-point multi-touch function for phone or Windows systems, making it effective for business use. In monitor mode, it offers touch functionality and a refresh rate of 100 Hz. With a range of connectivity options and certifications like CE, the Z18 TV Pro provides an immersive viewing experience for entertainment and productivity needs. Number 4. UPERFECT UStation Folding Monitor. The dual-stacked 15.6-inch folding monitors by UPERFECT offer an innovative solution for improved content sharing in meetings, maximizing productivity, and enhancing viewer interaction in real-time scenarios. With a 180 degrees gravity sensing system and screen rotation feature, conference materials can be easily shared with clear visibility for all participants. The monitors support multitasking, streamline page transitions, and boost work efficiency. The latest UPERFECT Delta model offers an upgraded experience with features like one-cable 3-screen sharing, independent connections for 2 devices simultaneously, and a compact, portable design that fits easily in a backpack. The monitors can be folded 360 degrees and adjusted for different viewing angles, accompanied by a built-in adjustable stand for ergonomic use. In terms of specifications, the UStation Delta model boasts a 15.6-inch screen size, FHD resolution, IPS panel type, 16:9 display ratio, 178 degrees viewing angle, 800:1 contrast ratio, 250 candelars per square meter brightness, and compatibility with various devices including laptops and mobile phones. With features like AMD FreeSync technology, built-in speakers, and a range of connectivity options, these folding monitors are designed to enhance work productivity and user experience. Number 5. EVICIV Dual Folding Monitor. The 15.6-inch folding dual portable monitor offers a high level of compatibility with various operating systems like Windows 7, 10, 11 and macOS 11.5 and above. The monitor comes with a USB-C port for easy connectivity and control over both screens with just one cable. Its ergonomic design aims to improve workspace efficiency by expanding the visual area, reducing eye strain, and ensuring accurate color reproduction. The versatile monitor allows for easy screen sharing in all directions and supports various display modes. It also features adjustable stand options and VCHANCE mount compatibility for flexible positioning. The monitor specifications include a 1920 by 1080 resolution, IPS panel, 100% sRGB color gamut, and 800:1 contrast ratio. This monitor is suitable for enhancing productivity with its dual screen setup and seamless connectivity options provided.